In this video, we will see how to configure our platform and create our first agent in a few minutes. The first thing we will do is subscribe to a plan. As it is the first time, we have the right to a free trial. We will not be charged anything. We have 7 days to try it and can cancel it at any time at no cost. Once we have our agent activated, subscription, the next thing we need to do is add a phone number. In this case, we're going to import a phone number. We set the site and the touch. And we select one of the numbers we have available. We click to select the imported number selected. And ready, we have our active phone number here. In the guide and documentation, there are personalized videos on how we can add different phone numbers, and we can see everything here. The next thing we will do is configure our Google Calendar account. We will go to Action, Google Calendar, and Connect. We choose our Google account that we want to connect Google Calendar to. We click on it. Continue. Our Google Calendar account will now be linked to our platform. The next thing we will do, we will need to log in and configure it. We will go to Appointment Action, and we will fill out this data to benefit the people. Count on them. We fill them all out. We put a title, a description that is optional. We select the time zone. And we choose the days of the week and times that will be available for people to reserve an appointment. We save it, and that's it. We would have configured our Google Calendar account for our people. Now that we have completed all these steps, the next thing we would do is create our agent. We click to create an agent. We would choose between inbound agent or a bot. In this case, I am going to choose an outbound agent. We set the maximum call duration. Choose Standard I, which is general. The general plan that we are going to use. We activate the detection of voicemail, sound, office environment. The times that you can call back can be configured, whether the call is canceled or is there any type of failure. The welcome prompt, the milliseconds that will delay, and we click Continue. In the next step, we will select one of the available voices and the language. Once we have selected, we can listen here to the different voices. We choose what we like best. We select it, and we continue. And now we come to part 3, where we're going to set up the greeting. What is a message? The main one that the agent gives when communicates for the first time with a user. And here is where we will give the conversation instructions. We can use GPT to help us configure the greeting and the prompt. Here, I will put one of the ones we bring from demonstration. We scroll down. We connect our Google Calendar that we have previously. We have configured. We click to select. And once this is done, we click to create an agent. And we have it here. Our first agent. We assign a number that we have also configured earlier. And we would have our agent with its phone number. Now there are several ways to activate it. We can initiate a call, a test, enter a phone number, and it would call. Can we add a CSV file to input a series of preloaded phone numbers? Manually enter a series of phone numbers to call. We would go down, tell it to start the call, and the agent would call. In this case, we were called because the number I entered is a test number. And the last option we can do is in the contacts section. Here we can add contacts both manually and upload a CSV file. These contacts are safe for us. Here we're going to do an example. We also add the phone number. Once this is done, we save the contact, and it will not show here. The only thing we would have to do now is enter all the contacts we wanted. We click here to select the agent from those we have created outbound important. Start call. And will the call start? In this case, it fails again because I entered a fake phone number for testing purposes. And once this is done, we would have our agent set up in a few minutes to be able to make a phone call campaign to where we believe.